godsend.
Freedom.
Opportunity.
Great experience.
I would say amazing.
The college is a big family.
The family. Family.
What took all of us so long to decide, hey, we got a college right here. How come we ain't here? Why ain't all of our students here? Why ain't all of our students in high school graduating?
I came here, got my 2-year degree here, got my bachelor's degree here without ever leaving to Rocky Mountain College, and also went on and got my master's degree here without ever having to leave campus.
I think that Fort Peck Community College is one of the flagship colleges of all of the tribal colleges in the country.
I encourage people to check into programs all the time, what they're interested in, some way to somehow improve their earning power, improve their lives. I always encourage people to at least check into things at the college if they're talking about it.
Follow your dream, follow your instinct, because there's a reason that you're thinking about it. Fort Peck Community College is an excellent place to start.
Life is a funny thing. And some people are lucky, some people are unlucky. But there are ways that you can make yourself lucky in life. And one of those ways is by learning skills and by learning habits that help you to solve problems and to move forward in life on a daily basis.
I would say that Fort Peck Community College would be an excellent foundation for you to start your college career.
That it's a college that starts where you need to begin, wherever you need to start in math or in writing, and whatever professional pathway or occupation you have in mind.
In their interest financially, not only of themselves, but of the parents and of the relatives who normally helps out students with financial assistance.
I've been committed to students in Poplar for 35 years.
You know, I've watched these ladies follow, in my office follow students all the way through to graduation, and how proud we are to make sure that they make it through.
Or to try to bring as many people as we can into the college to give them the level playing field that they need to survive in the 21st century.
Is to see them walk down the aisle with their cap and gown on. That's my commitment. That's my ultimate goal.
Been here 25 years. That's a commitment in itself. But what I've always done, I've always had my door open to my students. And if I'm doing something and a student comes to the door, I will stop what I'm doing and deal with the student.
But we have enough willingness and ability to help anyone that walks through our doors.
We want to make sure our students stay in school. And every time a hurdle is put in front of them, we try to eliminate the hurdles.
Fort Peck Community College is the place to start, and it's also a good place to end. This is a wonderful institution. People that are here want you to succeed and will do everything that they can to help you.